Hello friends, welcome to JobMe Tech Solutions. Today we are going to work with login system using Java and MySQL in NetBeans. In this tutorial, we will work with some instance classes like as MySQL connection, which will return a MySQL connection to a server or localhost server. A login session. This class will contain global variables where our logged in data will be stored and be called from every class after login success. We will work with logout class, which will contain a method where we reset login session data and recall login form again. And an operations class, which will contain a method for to login using credentials of user. So let's create a new project in NetBeans. Uncheck create main class. Create a package and create JFrame form as login form. Now let's design login form. I use two text fields as username txt, password txt, and I use a combo box as login type combo. Now before working with code, we must add MySQL JDBC driver library into libraries of our project. Create a class as MySQL connection, which will return our MySQL connection. I fast forward this segment because you can find its detailed definition in my older Java MySQL related videos. if condition to check is login from operations and parse strings data and this into is login method. Now here we need to redirect a dashboard form after is login. So let's create dashboard form and design it. Okay, set visibility of dashboard to true and dispose this login screen using this dot dispose. After redirection, we can use those global variables data in any class using login session. So in dashboard, I am showing user data at right top in header. And I am going to use logout by logout image label at top right corner of header using mouse click event listener. In this method, we will use this as context and login form as its parameters. I already have my database ready into my SQL, so let's try to run if our program is getting data from MySQL to login or not. As you can see, our program is working amazingly. So guys, that's all for today. Hope we will meet in next video. Until you guys should like, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you are new or have not subscribed to my channel, then please go to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit on bell icon to get latest videos notification. Thanks for watching.